never stayed at this venue like this before.
Pretty yeah, probably roll down the window and stick the camera out.
Oh, it's running out that way.
Yeah, but I bet you when the wind was blowing, it was pushing salt water.
Because it's coming off the sound.
Oh, there's oil in that water too.
That's why they're saying to be careful.
Be careful. I can see it.
Oh yeah, it's kind of nasty.
It's like a slick of...
Oh, look at Clover.
Dead?
No, it's still
man.
alive.
Watch, Peter's gonna get a hold of this video and be like, oh, these people are...
It's not PETA. It's
I know.
tree huggers.
Oh, look, there's a little... Oh, oh.
Look at it up here.
See grass growing in the middle of the road.
Oh, yeah, baby. Should I get through it?
Yes. No.
And Grace is egging you on, dude.
Just drive on your side of the road.
I really want to get under that beach.
It's not going to make us get on the beach any quicker, Anna Gracie.
It's not that it's not a snow where you can like spin your
Wow,
tires.
that's where we can park.
Oh wow, look. Yo. Yeah, there's nothing there.
Look, right there, the ocean. Had to have come across there.
Yep.
Are we gonna park?
Oh, he got a long way to go.
Look,
Hatter.
and the sound probably came up through there.
Hatteras Island, Hurricane Island on Hatter. Hurricane Island, Hatteras Island. Can I see this?
No. It's going all over the
After
place.
Earl comes through here, we're like driving on the island.
It's a big water up here.
We're going fishing.
I can get it. A little wet.
Shut the window, Bill.
Watch,
There's
this guy's
There's
flying.
a truck flying up here.
Oh, our stuff is going to be wet.
No, it's okay. His wave's going the other way.
Wow, this is nuts. Damn, this should clear off.
This would be... And we should be moving now.
Well, now there's like 5,000 cars in front of us, so
We can't go
we
moving.
can't go zooming, but at least
We
we'll-
hit 20. Oh, we're going to stop. Oh, well. More water on the road.
Think they washed up over that?
Yep.
Really?
It looks like it.
Yep.
Well, I know
Lot
the
of water.
sound was up too. This was probably all totally covered with water, from the ocean to the sound. Because the sound came up higher than the ocean.
Yeah.
Right.